Hello students, welcome to Ekta Science Education class. I am Ekta presenting today lesson number 13, Fun with the Magnets. Students, you must have playing at your home with the magnets like toys. You are playing with the magnets. Many exploring students, they explore the things at the home and they come to know there are some things that attract the substances toward it. Or in day-to-day life examples, you must have enjoyed some of the magic show where the magician doing some tricks and attract the things toward it. But actually there is no as such magic. There is some scientific instrument, some scientific material that the magic makes the magic happens. Like example, you can take the doors of the refrigerator opens and shut automatically. Why is this happening? This happens due to these magnetic closures fitted inside the refrigerator. Many cupboards, many doors and windows have the flaps or the clips of this, the magnetic clips are present there, due to which the doors open and shut automatically. For example, at your home, your mama's purse have this type of a magnet fitted in the bag, where the flaps of the handbag also get open and closed automatically. Similarly, now with this example, you must have noticed that what is exactly the magnet. Magnet is the material having the property of attracting magnetic substances are known as magnets. Here, if you read, there are some magnetic definitions, there are some scientific definition of the magnet. A magnet is a material or object that produces a magnetic field which is invisible and responsible for most of the notable property of the magnet. A force that pulls on other material like iron, steel, nickel, cobalt, etc. is a magnet. A magnet is an object generally that has a north pole, south pole, or you can say the Greek used to call the magical stone which had the power of attracting iron. These are the lodestone. The Greek people, they first of all the magnet they have given the name as a lodestone. Later it was found that these stones are actually made up with this iron ore, that are the magnetite. These are the iron ore, magnetite. These are the lodestone. Now, who invented this magnet? Have you thought any day? What is the magnet? How it came from? What is the story behind it? Okay, so let's discuss here the story behind the invention of the magnet. Actually, the first magnet were not invented but rather accidentally found from the nature occurring mineral called magnetite. Traditionally, the ancient Greeks were the discoverers of the magnetite. There is a story behind it. We will learn this story. The story is like this. In the Magnesia, in the ancient Greece, there lived a shepherd named Magnus. One day he was looking after the sheep in the hills. All of a sudden he felt a mysterious force pulling his iron staff from his hand. Even iron nails on his sandals were being pulled out. To this great surprise, he discovered that it was a huge black rock next to him that was pulling his staff and the nails. The piece of lodestone were called magnets because the large deposits were found in an area in ancient Greece named as Magnesia. Thus, a small piece of iron ore, that is a magnetite, became the magnet. So this is the story behind the discovery of the magnet. Actually, the magnet was discovered by the Greece people or the Greek people in their ancient time. In the ancient time only they have discovered the magnet. Okay, in the market different shapes of these magnets are available. Bar magnet, cylindrical magnet, U-shaped magnet, ring magnet, circular magnet, horseshoe magnet. Okay, so these are the different shapes of the magnets are available in the market. What is magnetism? Now you know the magnet have the property to pull, to attract the things toward itself. Okay, now what is the magnetism? Magnetism is a property, is a characteristic of the magnet, and it's a, we can say, the phenomena also. The magnetism is actually the phenomena of the attraction of a substance by a magnet is called as a magnetism. Like lightning happening, thunder happens, that's a phenomena, it's a natural phenomena. Likewise, the magnetism is also a phenomena. The phenomena of the attraction of a substance by a magnet is called a magnetism. We know that the discovery of the magnet is also happened accidentally. Okay, that's a phenomena. Okay, so you can see here the iron nails or iron flicks here are coming towards this magnet. They are attracting, getting attracted toward this iron fillings. They are attracted toward this magnet. So this is a phenomena. Okay, coming to the next point, magnetism is a phenomena of the attraction of a substance by the magnet. Now, as per this property, we have divided the substances into the two types, the magnetic substances and the non-magnetic substances or materials. So, the magnetic materials are the material which show the property or phenomena of attraction of a substance by magnet is the magnetic substance or material, while as the non-magnetic material that do not show this magnetism property or phenomena is called as a non-magnetic materials. Now these some of the examples are here, like iron is a magnetic substance, it get attracted towards the magnet. Nickel is a magnetic substance, cobalt is a magnetic substance. These are some examples of the magnetic substance, like iron, nickel, cobalt. These are the magnetic substances. Now, which are the non-magnetic material? The material which do not get attract towards the magnet or those do not show the property of magnetism are the non-magnetic material, like paper, glass, plastic, rubber, wood. These are the non-magnetic materials. Aluminium is also the non-magnetic material. Brass is a non-magnetic material. Concrete, cement concrete is a non-magnetic material. Okay students, so this is all about that we learn in this video. Coming to the next video, we will learn about the magnetic poles, the two poles of the magnets, the magnetic field and some few things. So stay tuned. Up to that, keep learning, keep studying at home, keep smiling at home. Enjoy. Bye bye.